Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a fun one for you guys today. I'm going to do yet another Dior Beauty unboxing haul for you guys. And as usual, I got a bunch of free gifts and I'm excited to share with you guys. So if you want to check out everything I picked up from Dior Beauty this time, definitely keep watching. Alright, so this video, as usual, is going up a little bit late. I realize that Valentine's Day, by the time this is uploaded, has long come and gone. But these were some Valentine's Day, I want to say releases, but definitely Valentine's Day packaging. And I purchased several new Dior Beauty releases, as I mentioned. So I wanted to share with you guys my initial thoughts and opinions about them in case they will help you guys decide on your purchases as well. So by the way, I hope you all had an amazing Valentine's Day by the time you're watching this video. I just love this holiday. I love the girliness of it. I love the pink, the red, just the good all-around vibes of Valentine's Day. So of course, I had to treat myself to some Dior Beauty. So I purchased all of this online, as I typically do with Dior Beauty. In the packaging, of course, I got my receipt in this beautiful envelope. So that's how that comes. And then I also got a gift bag as well, or just a shopping bag, so that's really nice. I mean, the quality of Dior packaging is really unmatched, as I always talk about in these videos, but that's just a really cute bag. But I kind of have a little collection now of these Dior specialty boxes, and this year's Valentine's one, as you probably have seen, is really cool. So here's what it looked like, and it has a bunch of little sayings, I want to say. So I'm not even going to pretend to pronounce this, but it has beautiful writing and script on the packaging, and look at the back, it's just gorgeous. So I have quite a collection now. Every seasonal holiday they tend to come out with some new packaging, so I kind of have a little stack of these boxes in my workspace. So I had to pick up just honestly the packaging, but I was also excited to try some of these new releases. So let me go ahead and open this up. Here's what it looks like. So again, beautiful presentation. And let me go ahead and show you guys what I decided to get. All right, so I think I'm going to share with you guys my purchases first, and then all of the freebies that I get as usual. Okay, so I wanted to get their two new releases, and you will see this in the little title of this video, I believe. But the first was their new formulation of the Dior Addict Lip Glow Oil. So here's what the packaging looks like, and this is one of their tried and true favorites. I have several of the original versions, but I have not tried out the new formulation. So here's the packaging, which honestly I think looks pretty similar. As you can see here, I went with the color Black Cherry Glaze. And I'm just going to put it on right now. I have nothing on my lips intentionally because I wanted to try this out. I know that in this relaunch, they redid the formula, and with the lip glow products, I believe they're meant to customize to the pH of your lips. So that still holds true. They're infused with cherry oil, which is supposed to be super moisturizing for your lips. But I think the difference here is I believe they launched 16 shades, which is amazing, and they have 3 finishes. So the new finish is this one, the glaze, which is supposed to be a little bit more pigmented, just like really glazed look. Their juicy formulation, I think, is their original, which is still a really nice shine finish, but a little bit more transparent. I'll say not quite as opaque. And then the third finish, let's see, is called Sparkly. So I believe they have little specks of glitter in them. So I just decided to try this glazed one. I'm not sure I'm much of a sparkly lip person, to be honest. So I wanted to try the glazed. And this Black Cherry is one of their most talked about colors in this line. Ooh, it's really pretty. So I wanted to try it out. So here's what the packaging looks like. As usual, gorgeous. So really, really pretty. It looks kind of like their lip maximizer packaging. It's not a lot of product, as you can see here, but I mean, how can you beat that packaging? Just really pretty. So you just twist off here, and this is again the color Black Cherry in the glaze formulation. Let's see how this looks. So I love the doe foot. Look how thick it is. That's going to allow some good coverage on the lip, I think. All right, so moment of truth. Let me just grab my phone here for a quick mirror. And let me go ahead and try to put this on. All right, so here is what just the quick first pass looks like on. I didn't have a ton of products, so I could probably go again and put some more on, but on first impressions, no surprise, it's really comfortable. I have that little bit of a pepperminty type of a flavor taste on it, but I love this color. I think it's really nice. It's not too dark for me. I'm gonna wear it to the workplace. It's super comfortable and not sticky at all, so it's really moisturizing, and it's a lip oil, so I don't expect it to be super long wearing, but I think it's a really pretty color. So I am excited about this. This is a black cherry in the new formulation of the lip oil. I may check out some of the other formulations and colors too. I really do like this so far. All right, so that's number one of their new releases. And the second new release you guys have probably seen all over the place, and it's their new fragrance. So I had to try it out. It's a Dior Addict Rosy Glow I picked up, Eau de Parfum. Yes, so they released, as you probably saw, 3 different new fragrances in the Dior Addict fragrance line here. Look at the packaging. There's a beautiful CD sticker there. And I had to try them out. So I just decided to go for one of them to test it out. But as you'll see in my samples, the nice thing is that you could pick out the other fragrances in the samples. So I'm gonna try them all out for you today. Okay, so first up, here's a beautiful packaging. I got the pink one, which is the Rosy Glow. So it says Dior. I mean, really mirrored finish type of a box, which is so pretty. And then here is what it looks like. As I drop it, here it is. Really pretty. It looks like they're lip products. I mean, look at that. I just got the 1 ounce. I think it came in 1 ounce or 1.7 ounces. I wanted the 1 ounce. I never go through fragrances because I like to collect them. So I wanted to get the slightly smaller one, make sure I like it first. And then if I do, then I may purchase the larger one or repurchase this again. But I mean, it's just a beautiful bottle. I'm gonna love putting this in my purse. You just pull off the top. It has CD on the top. I will say this plastic isn't super high quality. It's a little bit thin, but it'll do the job. So it has a CD on the top there, if you can see. Just really, really beautiful packaging. All right, here we go. Let me try to spray it. Okay, I am happy I went with this one. I think it's perfect for this time of year. So the notes are supposed to be rose and lychee, or lychee, depending how you pronounce it. I've heard both ways. It is not too heavy, and I don't think it's too childlike. I was worried it would be a little strong fruity, but it's not. And I think the rose really kind of balances it more, so I get both of those, maybe a little stronger on the lychee or lychee, but I'm happy I got this one. I love it. It's not too overpowering. At this time of year, I do like a little bit more of a fruity scent in the spring and summer. I think it adds to a little bit of playfulness and freshness to your fragrance wardrobe, so happy about that. All right, so as a spoiler, I'm gonna move on to my samples because I'm supposed to have been able to try the other fragrances in that Dior Addict fragrance line. So let's see what I got. Okay, here they are. Okay, so I got samples of all 3. I will mention that it is nice because when you purchase that actual full-size product of fragrance, they do automatically give you the tester for it because they allow you to test it before you open that. I was pretty much going to keep it no matter what, so I just opened the big package. But if you wanted to test it out, they give you the tester, which is really nice. So here's the Rosy Glow tester, and it has just a little sample here. Here are all the different ones. So it's Rosy Glow, there's Peachy Glow, and Purple Glow. So those are the 3 that were launched, but here's Rosy Glow, and I'm going to use this just as a sample. So love that. So I also mentioned that this fragrance was a blind purchase. I tend to do that these days, which is a little bit crazy and probably not responsible. But it's hard for me to get out to the store to sample these, so I just look at the notes, and if I think I'll like them, I'll try it out. So that was a blind buy. So I'm glad it worked out for me. But it is nice that you can sample them out when you're doing these blind buys. All right, so what's up next? Maybe the Peachy Glow. I was almost considering this one too. And if I like it, I may go for it. So this is supposed to be jasmine and peach. So let's test this one out. Okay, well, I don't know if it's the first spray or not. At first, I got a little bit, honestly, of a kind of an alcohol type of a scent. But that's pretty too. I have a little peach, but it's not overpowering. I thought that might be overpowering peach, but it's not. So I like that too. I may get the full bottle in that one. And then finally, I have the Purple Glow. So Purple Glow is supposed to be iris and raspberry. So I've heard that this one potentially is the most fruity. So let's try it. Yeah, maybe it's just with these testers, but the first spray smells a little bit of like an alcohol smell, to be honest. But then that wears off. Yeah, it does have maybe the strongest fruity kind of scent to me out of the three with the raspberry, but I feel the iris too. I really love how the floral notes tone down the fruity notes in all of these. So I do like these. And the main thing is, I think that they're not too overpowering such that I think I can wear this to the workplace in a healthcare setting. That's where I work. So I'm gonna try these out at work, see what people say. All right, so I love all of them, honestly. I may try to pick up the other two that I didn't get in the full size, but I am happy I went with the rose one first. I think that probably is my favorite. I'm probably a little biased too, but I think that's my favorite. But all three are amazing. I think I like the rose first and then maybe peachy next. But they're all really good. I think they all have the fruity floral fragrance scent, which is perfect for this time of year. So far, good impression. I will report back later in a future video what I think about it as I try them out a little bit more too. And then the other sample that I got was, let's see, what is this? The Dior Prestige Cream. So I just love these samples. They always give you really, really nice samples. So I'm happy I was able to try out all three of the new fragrances. I will definitely use all of these, especially for travel. And then I got this Dior Prestige Cream. And then, okay, so this is why I wanted to make a purchase. Well, obviously I wanted to try out these new launches. So those two new launches, I had to test out and report to you guys what I thought about them on first impressions. And then, yes, I saw this free gift of purchase. I could not resist. I love these Dior pouches. I think a lot of you do too. So it comes really nicely gift wrapped. I love it. Just looking at it. So it is the beautiful, beautiful pink cosmetic pouch. So I have a lot of Dior gift with purchase pouches already, as you guys probably know. I'm sure you guys do too. But this was unique. I haven't seen one like this before. I love this kind of faux patent type of material, but really the color. I mean, the color is so pretty. I love this kind of light lilac-y type of mauve purple pink. A really pretty color, so I love it. The zipper is really smooth and it is just one big open pouch. It is lined with, it looks like a little fabric lining with the little CD logo. So look, you can maybe even see there's little CD logos. So that detail is really nice for a free gift with purchase, you know? So I think that's really pretty. It's fabric lined though, so that's a little weird for a cosmetic pouch, I'll say. I thought it would have been more of a wipeable lining. I don't think this is going to be that easy to clean, such that I am probably not going to use this for cosmetics. I have a lot of true cosmetic pouches. I think I'm just going to use this as a catch-all, so it won't get as dirty as if I used it with like a lot of cosmetics in it. So, I mean, I may throw lipsticks and things like that in there, but also just a catch-all for odds and ends in my bag, I think would be really nice. So yes, recommend this gift. I really love it. I think it's so cute, so I'm gonna start using it. But that's honestly what got me to make these purchases. All right guys, so there you have it. That is my little Dior beauty haul and try on of the new releases. So comment below, I'm sure some of you have tried these already. Let me know what you think of the new lip oil and also the new Dior Addict fragrances. Let me know if you think I should try out any other of their new shades too, because so far, at least over the course of this video, I'm really loving this lip oil. I think it's very moisturizing and I really love the new finishes as well. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.